Welcome to Ms. Huong English Class.
School things.
Hello everyone. My name is Tran. This is my school bag, and I have many beautiful things in my school bag. Do you know what they are? Now, let's see. Wow, a pencil case. Do you have a pencil case? A pencil case. A pencil case. This is a pen. I use a pen to write. Do you have a pen? A pen. A pen. This is a pencil. I use a pencil to draw pictures. Do you have a pencil? A pencil. A pencil. This is an eraser. I use it to erase my mistakes. Do you have an eraser? An eraser. An eraser. Let's guess. It's long and I use it to draw straight lines. What school thing? Yeah. A ruler. A ruler. I write the lessons in this. What is it? Yes, it's a notebook. Do you have a notebook? Notebook. Notebook. This is a book. I read this book to learn new things and stories. Do you have a book? A book. A book.
Review.
Let's review all school things. A school bag. A school bag. A pencil case. A pencil case. A pen. A pen. A pencil. A pencil. An eraser. An eraser. A ruler. A ruler. A notebook. A notebook. A book. A book. Keep practicing these words at home. See you next time. Goodbye.